I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Dodge Charger in neutral without the engine running. First, make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Then, insert your key and turn the ignition to the run position, but do not start the engine. This powers up the necessary systems to proceed with the shift release. Next, you'll need to access the shift interlock release mechanism. Look for a small, rectangular cover near the shifter, often on the console itself. Gently use a small flathead screwdriver or a similar tool to carefully pry this cover open. Underneath, you will find the manual shift release button, which is crucial for this process. With the access cover removed, press and hold the shift interlock release button firmly. While keeping the button pressed down, carefully move the gear selector from park into the neutral position. You should feel the shifter move freely and smoothly. Once the shifter is securely in neutral, you can then release the button. Your vehicle is now successfully in neutral. Always double-check that the gear selector is firmly in neutral before attempting to move the vehicle. Only release the parking brake when you are absolutely ready to push or tow the car safely. After moving, remember to re-engage the parking brake and return the shifter to park for complete safety. This ensures your Charger remains secure and stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.